Yeah, this is how the garden looks like, guys. At this moment you can see there's corn there, but basically an overgrowth of grass everywhere. An overgrowth of grass everywhere. It has been raining straight for over a month now, and no matter how hard we try, we just can't maintain this garden. And then the only thing left now is to let this rain pass. I don't know when it will pass, but as soon as it has passed, we'll try again. Everywhere there's these tall grasses and everything, and then no matter how hard we try to take out this grass, we just can't win. I don't know if you can see there. You can see that I tried there. I tried to do the things there, but still yeah, this is just to show you what has been happening for a month now. Every day has been raining. Every day has been raining. This year, this is my entrance to the garden. Look at this. And then look at the whisk grows on this ground manure. And then I don't know if you will remember, if you will recall, but here I had spinach, carrots, beetroot and potatoes here. And just look at this. Just look at this. And I had these guys here. I think I've got about 15 or so of these butternuts. And if you can remember this patch, and the sweet potatoes as well. But now look at all these grasses. You can't even take out these weeds because it is raining every day. So yeah, you can imagine. For the past month there's been no sun, or little to no sun. It has been water every day. Yeah. And even these guys, as you can see, look everything, look here. These guys are dying. These guys are dying. Look, no pollination because there's no insects to pollinate. And even if there are insects to pollinate, there's just too much water. So these guys cannot survive. Plus there's no sunlight. Yeah, so sometimes when they say be careful what you ask for, this is what they mean. Because then if you ask for rain and then you say, oh God, please give us rain, our plants are not flourishing and everything, God will give you rain. And then you must also be prepared to accept what comes with rain as well, as much as you are prepared to accept the rain that God gives you. So yeah, we'll try again.